Unlike window or central air conditioning units, portable air conditioners are easy to install and do not require permanent installation. They are a cost and energy-saving alternative to central air systems, as they cool one room instead of the whole house. This Whynter ARC122DHP Elite 12,000 BTU dual-hose digital portable air conditioner with heat and drain pump provides up to 12,000 BTUs of cooling and 10,000 BTUs of heating output while maintaining a compact and portable profile. This versatile unit has 4 different modes: cool, dehumidify, fan, and heat mode. A convenient 24-hour on-off timer that allows you to customize to your specific schedule. A handy remote control that easily controls the speed, temperature, timer, and dehumidifier settings even from a distance. The patented self-evaporating function of this PAC fully exhausts all condensation automatically in most environments. In high humidity or low temperature environments, the PAC may need to be drained. This unit comes with a lower and upper drain port and auto drain pump. The auto drain pump function can pump out moisture through the included 16.5-foot drain tube for continuous condensate removal. Equipped with an exhaust and intake hose, this dual hose system helps eliminate negative air pressure, which allows for more efficient cooling. It can also be operated as a single hose system by simply removing the intake hose. This PAC includes a washable pre-filter as well as an activated carbon filter that removes smoke and odors. Here's how easy a PAC can be to set up. All Whynter portable air conditioners include a complete setup kit for exhausting through a standard vertical or horizontal sliding window. When using the portable air conditioner unit, hot air must be exhausted out of the room to complete the air exchange of the condenser. When the unit is operated in dehumidify or fan mode only, installation of the exhaust hose is optional. Pull to extend about 6 inches of one of each of the hoses. Install the small slide-in connector and small cutout connector onto the small exhaust hose by turning counterclockwise. Install the large slide-in connector and large cutout connector onto the large intake hose by turning clockwise. Fix one end of the intake and exhaust connectors onto the rear ports of the unit by sliding the connectors into each slot. The window slider kit is designed to fit most standard vertical and horizontal sliding windows. Insert the fixtures through the back grooved side of the window slider bars with the hole cutouts. Line up the 4 screw holes and tighten the fixtures with 4 screws from the front of the panel. To install, open the window approximately 5 inches. Adjust the length of the window slider bars to fit the length or width of the window opening. You may need to purchase additional slider bars if your window is oversized. Close the window on the window slider kit. Move the PAC to the window, extend the hoses, and attach the other end of each hose to the window slider bar. Align the hose connector cutouts of the tabs to the fixtures and snap the hoses to the window slider kit. Portable and easy to set up, Whynter dual hose portable air conditioners offer cooling relief for any area where excess humidity and heat cannot be remedied by traditional air conditioning.
Alexa, turn on the AC.
When the weather is hot, you need an efficient way to stay cool. SereneLife's portable air conditioners are your solution to staying comfortable when outside temperatures rise. A sleek modern design is packed with an efficient cooling system that can go anywhere around the house, at the office, or even out in the garage. With remote control access, you can quickly and easily shift through modes of cooling, fan, and dehumidifier. Select your desired temperature without interrupting your relaxation. Smooth rolling caster wheels allow for easy transport between rooms, so you can bring comfort to any area of the house. Simply roll to your desired location, easily install the windowsill, attach the flexible vent hose, and feel the cool breeze quietly generated just for you. Save energy by cooling only the spaces you need. Everyone knows cooler temperatures help you rest better, and with SereneLife's portable AC, you no longer have to cool your entire home to get optimal sleep. With their super quiet operation and built-in swing vent function, you can enjoy a nice cool breeze all night long or while you're at work without any disturbing noises. The dehumidifier mode allows you to control moisture levels as well, making your air feel fresher by reducing the occurrence of allergens like dust mites and mildew. A built-in 24-hour timer allows you to set cooling times to your schedule. Everything you want in one space-saving unit. Make your spaces comfortable again with a portable air conditioner by SereneLife.